Is a completely unscripted video. I haven't really prepared for it because I'm just going to be talking about my journey with YouTube, my very, very short journey with YouTube. This is only my third video that I record. So, you know how everyone says that YouTube is hard and all that stuff. And I've heard this a million times. And I was kind of prepared. I knew it's going to be hard. I know it's going to be hard getting views and taking off and all that. But being prepared is not the same as actually facing it. Like when you start, and only if you start posting, spending hours upon hours creating and editing the content, and then finally posting it, hoping that, yay, I'm going to get good views, or hoping that it's going to do so well, because you do want to get out there and you do want to help at least someone here and there, right? But then you post your first video and you got 4 views. So maybe even 3 views or something, right? Like that, right? So that's my case. I posted my first video after working for over a week on it. I filmed it and it took me a week to actually edit it. Why? Because the lighting was so bad. When I finally told myself that I'm mentally ready, I'm gonna start YouTube no matter what. I'm gonna film and post no matter what. It was a very cloudy day and I had to stand in front of the door for better lighting. I did try the ring light, that didn't work. But anyway, all that to say, it wasn't easy. I went through hell filming that video. Not filming it, I'm sorry, editing it. And if you notice right now, I'm keeping my mistakes because I want you to see, like, to get this raw. Hopefully I'm not boring you. So anyway, all that to say, I was literally trying to edit this in CapCut for a whole week on and off because A, I hate editing. B, I haven't done it much. I've done it a couple of times on CapCut and it was only for like a 1 minute video, so it's totally different. And because I'm still in the free version, so it was a little hard to figure it out. And long story short, I ended up removing all the filters that I had put, all the editing for the lights, because it looked horrible. When I finally uploaded it on YouTube a few days ago, it looked terrible. My hair was orange, my skin tone was yellow orange. I don't know, it was horrific and glowing, not in a good way. So I ended up deleting it from YouTube, and then I went back to CapCut, removed all the filters that I had put. I ended up just posting it without edits, barely any edits. I just chopped off a few things here and there. So I finally posted it. I took courage, and 3 days later, I have 4 views. I don't know if two of those views are even me, but anyway. Listen, I haven't told anyone about my YouTube channel except for my daughter, and I told her not to tell anyone, and my husband, but I haven't even told him that I posted the video yet, because I don't want subscribers that are not going to be interested in me in watching my videos. I don't want someone starting to watch the first couple minutes or a couple of seconds or what have you, and then say, okay, I watched it, I did my duty or something. That's going to harm me. I want YouTube to find my people because I'm out here trying to help. We're trying to reach women that can relate to my content, that can relate to my situation because they're in the same or in similar situations. Are you an introvert? Are you a perfectionist? Are you a woman or a stay-at-home mom or any of the above or a mix of those? Then this is your channel, because that's what I am. That's what I'll be talking about, and I'll be mixing it up with my journey on YouTube. So I decided to create this video anyway, even though it's not scripted, because it's raw and it's talking about my very, very initial journey and experience with posting on YouTube and putting myself out there. I hope that the video will kind of sort of encourage you. This is not to like me be all negative or anything, just to be realistic and just as an encouragement. I'm not going to give up. I actually love YouTube. I've been consuming YouTube for the first for excuse me, for the last like 15 years at least. And I just so love it. And this is why I want to be on this platform. Because I think it's like the best platform to reach people, especially in my age range. Excuse me again. I'm gonna leave those. I'll leave them, okay? Um, Especially in this age, because honestly, I'm not interested in short form content. I tried that and I don't even enjoy consuming it. I love longer form content on YouTube, and this is exactly why I picked this platform. because I'm convinced I'm gonna find my people. I'm gonna find my women who are gonna relate to me and who are gonna want to connect and who are gonna want to learn from me. Hopefully, I get to teach you a thing here or there from my experiences and from whatever I'm gonna learn along the way. And I know it's gonna be a long journey of learning, and that's okay. I love learning new things. It keeps my brain alive. It keeps my heart pumping. If you're still here, I want to thank you for watching. I truly appreciate you. I'm very happy that you're watching till the end. Please join me in my journey. Subscribe, comment, like to help my video reach more people. Hope, and I'll see you on the next one.